Hello everyone, my name is Jake Seltzer. I'm the head of digital banking and investment research at KXCO. We are a Thai-based firm with offices internationally, Miami, New York, and London. I'm going to share a little bit today about what we're doing in the financial markets world and how it relates to blockchain. And I'm also going to go over today a little bit about our ecosystem and some of the products that we're actually putting into the market. So a little bit about us. We are an ecosystem built by traders for traders. Our focus is on the institutional financial aspect level. So we've actually built a proprietary chain that gives full control through proof of authority back to the financial institutions that are actually operating and working and facilitating through our chain. A little bit about us. We are trading, tech, sales, operations, finance, and community. We have over 50 years of experience on our team from Wall Street. We have people from Morgan Stanley, as well as Ratchananusorn, a number of other financial institutions based out of New York. We take this trading experience and we've actually put it and used the knowledge to build products that we feel are most needed within the market. Some of the services that we actually offer is a securitized IPO, ERC1044 tokens on our securitized platform. We are doing something we feel that is incredibly unique through digitized equity and offerings. We also have an ERC20 based platform that allows us to work with utility based tokens. So we're actually moving throughout two different markets that we feel covers a lot of what the crypto ecosystem is actually building out. We have a digital banking platform that is actually already currently operational. We did our startup in India, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Jaipur that has 70,000 transactions in 2 months. That is on our blockchain fully. We are working with the Rural Finance Ministry as well as Amit Shah to actually bring this product to market for some of these rural financial institutions. So one of the amazing things that our blockchain does is it actually gives power to the auditors, right? We always talk about transparency and accountability for these institutions, which provide services and access for these users. And so one of the things that we've done is we've actually incorporated programs to do this. So we have our digital banking platform. We consult and design for a number of institutions based off of your financial needs. We have a treasury, market making, and OTC desk. We have a trading desk of over 50 individuals that spans from our New York, Miami, Bangkok, and London offices. So we cover all markets. So that gives us a great strategic advantage in the market in terms of market making. We work with some of the largest tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 exchanges within the market. And also we do tech development for projects. So we actually can take an idea that you have and actually bring it forward into the market using our chain or using some of the services that we've actually already built. We are a POA consensus protocol. Again, essentially we select nodes, we select validators to move forward. Just getting into some of the actual revenue, we've done $21 million of revenue this year. We're looking to do $1.13 billion over the course of the following year. This is based off of the actual transactions, the chain transactions that we've done, as well as some of the partnerships. I'll allow Mr. Jack to come up here shortly and share some of that with you about some of our partners in the market. If you actually go here, you'll see a QR code on the back of all the pamphlets that you guys received. You'll actually be able to see a lot of the valuation information. We've had 3 third-party audits informations. Our books are fully transparent within these organizations, one out of Switzerland, one out of the US, and one based here in Thailand. These organizations have done a full transaction review of all of our internals, so we actually have had third-party valuations as well as reviews. Use of funds, we're currently raising $6 million. We want to use 50% of those funds to actually continue the development of our chain, as well as actually spread the funds to a number of different places. So exchange products, again, we're building that securitized IPO, ERC1044 securitized exchange. We are also an ERC20 exchange. Our ERC20 exchange is actually currently live. We want $1 million raised for settlement chains, so we are a multi-chain level. We are fully integrated with Stellar, as well as also Near and Algorand. So we actually process on a multi-chain level. And we are moving into an AI-phased, basically ML program that allows you to trade and gives you analysis and risk based off of AI technology, as well as international licensing. We'd like to expand our securitized platform into a number of different areas, not here, just in Southeast Asia, as well as Latin America. We have 2 different investment vehicles. We have the FBX token, which is already live and on 3 different exchanges. This is a token that we allow to use for remittances through our actual transactional platform. So again, moving into that time where we were doing this Indian based platform, we allowed these tokens to be used for transactionals, and our KXCO token is the investment vehicle that I'll be using. And I apologize, but I am out of time. So I want to thank you all for your time. And if you'd like to come speak with us, we'll be standing off here at the side, as well as tomorrow we'll be at the table to schedule some time. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you for the presentation. So from the ecosystem strategy, right? And then there are a lot of like products that you're currently developing. Just want to know like if you're gonna have to pick like one product to prioritize, what would that be? And then what's the strategy going forward?
Yeah, definitely. So I would say our main product is our services for financial markets. So institutional-based finance on our chain. Obviously, that's something that we've really prioritized and built. So obviously, if you're a financial institution, you don't want all of your transactions to be public, right? That's not the goal of what the bank wants to do. And so we needed to build a chain that satisfied what the institutions were trying to accomplish. And so if you were to ask us to focus on one product, it would be our institutional backed chain. But a lot of our products are actually already being built and used in the marketplace. So our team is pretty extensive. We're on just about every continent. And we look forward to continuing our growth here in 2023. So thank you.
Just a little bit more question. So I think like there are like some private blockchain like R3 that they also focus on financial institutions as well. Just want to know what you think would be your edge in terms of like competing with them.
Yeah, absolutely. We like to think our edge is our transactions per second, right? Our TPS. So if you're a financial institution, you can't have your chain shut down. It's just, if you're having to have transactions get authorized, you need that done in a timely manner. So I feel that where we differ, right, is our transaction speed. And so that's something that we take a lot of pride in. It's something that we're constantly building for. And it's something that we feel is an important tool to the institutions as they continue their growth as well within the marketplace. So.
Hi, thanks for the presentation. Could you maybe just give some examples of a client or some of the main use cases that you've helped your clients with?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're currently working with Bangkok Bank, UOB, as well as Bank of New York. We're actually working with Bank of New York to take a lot of their mortgages on chain so that there's a higher visibility and transparency in terms of mortgage and how that rating system works. So we're actually working with a number of institutional clients now. We work with a number of high net worth individuals here in Southeast Asia, as well as a number of smaller institutions within the India area. So we actually have about 20 clients right now that are large scale, as well as a number of smaller institutionals.
Thanks. Is it mainly just to take their current process and digitize and put it on the blockchain?
Definitely, but we also have a number of other services, right, such as custodian, treasury, market making, so digitize assets and equity and security. So we can offer a number of things, right? If you're a company in Saudi, right, and you want to do a public offering, and that's a very hard process to do. So what we try to do is make that process easier, right? If I want to invest in Malawi mineral companies, putting money into Malawi and going through those brokerages is intensely difficult. So we want to simplify that process of international investing, and we want to do that through the chain because of the transparency as well as our transactions per speed second. So we can be processing a number of orders at any given time from anywhere, and simplifying that basic brokerage process. I think that's my time. Again, thank you everyone. If you'd like to speak more, I'll be off here to the side. Thank you all for your time. It was great. Thank you.